channel Fashion Glamour Guide. Welcome to Ultimate Guide to Nail Paint for Girls. Are you tired of boring cheap nails? Do you want to add some color and personality to your look? Look no further. In this guide, we will show you everything you need to know to achieve the quality nails at home. We'll cover in this video the basics of nail paint types, finishes and formulas, how to choose the perfect shades for your skin tone and personal style, step-by-step tutorial for applying nail paint like a pro, tip for achieving a long-lasting chip-resistant finish, nail art inspiration and designs for all skin levels, how to care for your nails to keep them healthy and strong. Whether you are a nail newbie or a seasonal pro, this guide has something for everyone. We will share our favorite products and techniques to help you achieve the perfect manicure. So get ready to unleash your creativity and take your nail game to the next level with our guide. You will be able to express yourself through color and designs, boost your confidence and self-expressions, and a pop of personality your everyday look. Try out new and trendy nail art designs. Take care of your nails and keep them healthy and strong. Summer is here and it's time to brighten up your nail game. In this video, we are sharing top picks for the best summer nail polish that will keep your nail looking fresh and fabulous all season long. From vibrant corals and sunny yellows to ocean-inspired blues and greens, we have got you covered with the last summer nail trends. Here we show you the hottest new shades for summer 2024. How to choose the perfect polish regarding to skin and your skin tone. Tips for achieving a quality manicure at home. Favorite art designs in summer which you like and other. And a special summer nail care routine to keep your nail healthy and strong. Whether you are heading to the beach and summer festival or just want to add some fun to your everyday look, we got this perfect summer nail inspiration for you. So sit back, relax and get ready to nail your summer look. You can ask me to make any changes you want to this video. Nail designs refers to the artistic and creative processes of decorating and enhancing the appearance of fingernails and toenails. There are some popular nail designs are like classic French tips, glitter and rhinestones, striped and geometric patterns, floral and botanical designs, metallic and chrome finishes, nail art with intricate details, colorful and bold ombre effect, delicate and minimalist designs, season and holiday term themed designs. Personalize and customize your designs. Some popular nail design techniques which include stamping, freehand painting, nail stickers and drapes, gel and acrylic extensions, nail piercing and charms, and other on some popular nail designs include natural and subtle, bold and statement making, classic and elegant, trendy and fashion forward, whimsical and playful. Remember, always follow proper nail care hygiene when getting a nail design and choose a design that suits your personal style and preferences. Okay, guys, now here some tips for healthy nails can share with you to maintain your daily nails. First one is keep your nail hydrated, for which apply a moisturizing cuticle oil or a nail cream regularly to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated and healthy. Eat balanced diet. Consume foods rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins to promote healthy nail growth. Like biotin is the most one and preferable supplement for your nail. Avoid harsh chemicals. Exposure to chemicals like nail polish removers, detergents, cleaning products can dry out and damage your nail. Don't overwash your hands. Washing your hands too frequently can strip your nails of their natural oil, which cause brittleness of your nails and breakage of your nail. Use a nail brush. Brush your nail daily with soft, whiskered brush to improve blood flow, promote growth. Next one is avoid excessive exposure to water. Prolonged exposure to water can cause your nails to become soft and weak. Get regular trims. Trimming your nails straight across and keeping them at a moderate length can help prevent breaks and splits. Use a nail strengthener. Apply a nail strengthening base coat or top coat to help fortify your nails. Avoid biting or picking. Refrain from biting or picking at your nails, as this can cause damage and slow down growth. Get enough vitamins and minerals. Ensure you're getting sufficient vitamin B, C, and E, as well minerals like calcium, iron to support healthy nail growth. Remember, healthy nails require patience, consistent care, and balanced lifestyle. Nail care is an essential part of personal grooming and involves several steps to keep your fingernails and toenails healthy, strong, and looking their best. Here are some key specs. Here are some key aspects of nail care. Keeping your nails clean and dry. Trim and shaping your nail regularly. Softening and pushing back your cuticles. Moisturizing your nails and cuticles. Smooth ridges and remove their edges. Avoid different harsh chemicals, detergents. Avoid excessive exposure to liquidy things. Get regular manicure and pedicure using nail strengthener and nail growth supplement. Some additional tips are which includes using a nail brush to clean under your nails, avoiding biting and picking to your nails, avoid sharing nail care tools, Keep your nail care tools clean and sanitized to maintain or retain your good health of your nails. Nail care and nail art can boost your personality in several ways. First one is confidence. Well groomed nails can make you feel more confident and put together, which can translate to other areas of your life. Nail art and color choices can be form of self-expressions and personal style, showcasing your creativity and individuality. Your nail can make a good first impression, showing others too that you take care of yourself and pay attention to details. Having a bold or creative nail designs can make you feel more empowered and impressive. Your nails can complement your personal style, whether it's classic, trendy, or electric. Getting a manicure or trying a new nail design can be a fun pick me up and mood boosters. Sharing nail art ideas or getting nail care advices from friends can strengthen social bonds. Taking time for nail care can be a form of self-care and relaxation. Nail art can be a creative outlet, allowing you to try new designs and techniques. Experimenting with different nail styles and designs can help you step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Your nails are a part of your overall happiness and can reflect your personality and confidence. Now we are sharing some home remedies for nail care. Coconut oil moisturizes and nourishes nails and cuticles. Lemon juice strengthens the nails and help remove stains. Olive oil hydrates and softens the cuticles to make it soft. Baking soda exfoliates and cleanses nails and cuticles. Vitamin E oil promotes nail growth and health of your fingers, nail, cuticles, roots of nails. If tea tree oil is available, it fights against fungal infections and promotes healthy nails. Egg white, which is available in all homes, if you mashed it or applied on your nails, it strengthens and hardens your nail. Honey moisturizes and nourishes nails and cuticles naturally because it contains natural constituents which regulates your health of your nails. Apple cider vinegar, which balances pH and promote healthy growth. Banana and honey mask. You make banana and honey mask to mash banana in honey and put it on your nails, cuticles, and lap over on the toes of your fingers, which nourishes and moisturizes your nail and cuticles, and they are resist to different chemical harness of your health. Sugar scrub exfoliates and soften the cuticles, which remove your dead skin from the nails and the cuticles. If you use avocado oil, it hydrates and nourishes nail and cuticles. Garlic is a very powerful fungal infection which fights against it and promote healthy nails. If you have aloe vera gels, it smooths or soothes, yeah, and moisturize nails and cuticles. Rose water and lemon. Mix it with rose water, lemon juice, and spray on your hands and fingers as well as on your nails, which promotes it to soften and hydrates the cuticles. Remember, consistency and patience are key when using home remedies for nail care. Always clean and dry your nails before applying any remedies. Can be gentle when pushing back cuticles. Now we're discussing about manicure and pedicure, which are the tips for of beauty treatments for your nails and hands, as well as your feet nails. Here's a breakdown of what each typical includes. Manicure is nail shaping and trimming. Cuticle care is pushing back and trimming. Hand massage, nail polishing. These are the options to cure in manicure. Pedicures include foot soaking and exfoliations, nail shaping and trimming. Nail shaping and trimming. Cuticle care, pushing back and trimming. Callus remove, foot massage, nail polishing optional. Together, manicure and pedicure can help to improve nail health and appearance, soften and moisturize hands to feet, relax and rejuvenate your all appearance, boost confidence and self-care. You can get manicure, pedicure at salon or a spa, or even do them yourself at home with the right tools and product. So many nail infections, also known as paraconia, can occur when bacteria, fungi, or yeast enter the nail bed or surrounding tissues. Symptoms include redness and swelling around the nail, pus or discharge, pain or tiredness, swollen lymph nodes, fever. Types of nail infections are bacterial, fungal,